Imagine if I told you that one of the most powerful tools to improve your health, boost your mood, burn fat, and even extend your life is something you already know how to do, and it's completely free. No gym membership, no fancy equipment, no complicated routine. Just one simple habit that, if done every day, can quietly transform your body. Today, let's talk about walking, and why this underrated activity might be the missing piece in your health and fitness journey. Think about how often we search for intense workouts, extreme diets, or quick fixes, while ignoring the most natural movement our bodies were designed for. Walking every day may look simple, but don't let that fool you. When you walk consistently, your body starts responding in powerful ways. Your heart gets stronger, your blood circulation improves, and your lungs work more efficiently. Over time, this reduces your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes, all without putting heavy stress on your joints. One of the biggest benefits of daily walking is how it supports weight loss and fat burning. You don't have to walk fast or for hours. Even a brisk 30-minute walk can help burn calories, boost your metabolism, and improve how your body uses energy. Walking also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which means fewer cravings and more stable energy throughout the day. If you've ever felt tired, sluggish, or bloated, a simple walk can wake your body up in ways coffee never will. But the benefits don't stop at the body. Walking is incredible for your mental health. In a world full of stress, screens, and constant noise, walking gives your mind a break. As you walk, your brain releases feel-good chemicals that help reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Many people notice they think more clearly while walking. Problems feel smaller, ideas flow better, and your mood naturally lifts. It's like therapy in motion. Walking every day also strengthens your muscles and bones. Your legs, hips, and core all work together with every step you take. Over time, this improves balance, posture, and coordination, which is especially important as we get older. Regular walking can also increase bone density, helping to reduce the risk of osteoporosis and injuries later in life. It's one of the safest ways to stay active long term. Another powerful benefit is how walking improves digestion and sleep. A short walk after meals helps your body digest food more efficiently and can reduce bloating and discomfort. And if you struggle with sleep, daily walking can help regulate your body clock, making it easier to fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep at night. The best part about walking is how easy it is to stick with. You don't need motivation to be perfect. You just need to start. Walk in the morning to clear your mind, during lunch to reset your energy, or in the evening to unwind after a long day. Walk alone for peace, or with a friend for connection. Every step counts, so if you've been waiting for the right time, let this be your sign. Start walking today. Not to punish your body, but to care for it. Your body was made to move. And walking every day is one of the kindest, simplest gifts you can give yourself. If you found this helpful, keep moving forward, one step at a time, and I'll see you in the next video.